Hi, this is called Evil Dog Demons. Hi, yeah. This is Scott's Funny Videos. You should know that. I got an iPad and my sister got an iPad on the other episode. I said iPad. No matter what. Now, let me show you the demon dog of evil demons. Oh, you can't see him, can you? Well, get some more closer. Closer. Oh, wait. Closer. Then you can see him. Ah, no, he's going closer. Did you see that? That was the evil dog of demons. Oh well. Dogs of demons should never, ever exist. But this dog shall live royal. Nice. Only one more that's under my bed. It will kill me at night time. So, help me, no elks. Oh wait, coming down. And the show.